Deep within our DNA, a hidden architecture shapes not just our bodies, but the very fabric of our relationships and destiny. These are the codon rings, dynamic families of genetic codes, orchestrating the symphony of life. Each codon ring acts as a master conductor, guiding our chemistry and potential. They bridge the physical and the spiritual, linking the 22 codon rings to the amino acids that build us. This connection reveals how consciousness is woven into our biology. The codon rings are the living language of the universe, the poetry of our cells. They form the invisible threads connecting us to ancestors, communities, and the human family. Understanding them is like reading the secret script of life, a story of our shared journey. This journey is about recognizing sacred patterns within and aligning with their flow. As we attune to these inner currents, we unlock dormant potential, awakening to a life of greater purpose and connection. Humanity is a tapestry woven from countless threads, each life a unique story. Beneath this complexity lies a simple pattern, the 22 codon rings, our fundamental chemical families. Each ring is an energetic signature, drawing certain people and experiences into our lives. These are the great clans of humanity, transcending culture and time. Imagine them as streams of consciousness, each with a unique theme guiding our lives. This isn't fate, but a loving guidance system, explaining instant connections and deep bonds. Our societies are living mandalas, shaped by the interplay of these families. The tensions and harmonies we experience are the dynamic interactions of the codon rings. Recognizing these connections helps us heal divisions and see our shared heritage. The codon rings remind us we are one grand family, expressing different facets of the same light. This realization is the key to true compassion and unity. Spiritual traditions speak of karma, the invisible law shaping our lives and relationships. The codon rings are the biological mechanism of karma, orchestrating the dance of destiny. They draw specific people into our lives, forming the patterns of our relationships. When you feel a powerful pull to someone, your DNA is recognizing a kindred spirit. These are sacred contracts, written in the language of amino acids. Every relationship, joyful or challenging, is a messenger from our own biology. The codon rings weave our collective fate, linking generations in a saga of healing and awakening. By embracing every encounter as a lesson, we fulfill the promise encoded in our cells, a return to wholeness. Some codon rings become especially active during pivotal moments in our evolution. Today, the codon ring of the whirlwind is sweeping through humanity, stirring profound change. Linked to the amino acid histidine and the 49th and 55th gene keys, it acts as a catalyst for transformation. The whirlwind is a force of radical change, breaking down old structures to make way for the new. We see its effects in rapid social, political, and technological shifts. This is not chaos, but a mutative process unfolding in our collective DNA. The whirlwind brings suppressed issues to the surface, forcing us to confront and release the past. It cannot be resisted, only surrendered to. Its purpose is liberation, breaking the chains of fear and limitation. By learning to dance with the whirlwind, we harness its power for lasting change. At the heart of the whirlwind are the 49th and 55th gene keys. The 49th represents the journey from reaction to rebirth, igniting the fire of revolution. Its shadow is blame. Its gift is constructive change. Its highest potential is total transformation. The 55th gene key moves from victimization to freedom, governing our awakening. Its shadow is feeling trapped. Its gift is inner freedom. Its highest state is unbound consciousness. When these two merge, a powerful alchemy occurs. the rebirth of freedom. This is the whirlwind's core purpose, to trigger a revolution within, leading to absolute inner freedom. Such transformation inevitably reshapes our world from the inside out. The whirlwind's messenger is histidine, a molecule vital to our biology and mystical experience. Histidine is released during moments of intense connection and unity, dissolving the boundaries of self. It's a precursor to histamine, but also floods us during emotional release and peak experiences. The whirlwind's effect is not just mental, it's a cellular transformation toward collective ecstasy. By activating histidine, our bodies are rewired for greater joy, love, and interconnectedness. This is spiritual awakening as a biological event, a glimpse of our future potential. Embracing this intensity allows histidine to transform us into vessels of boundless freedom. The whirlwind moves through humanity as a powerful, evolutionary wave, impacting everyone. It's a rising tide of consciousness, felt as restlessness, excitement, and anticipation. This wave elevates our collective frequency, shaking us from patterns of fear and separation. The intensity can be unsettling, surfacing unresolved issues for healing. Its purpose is not destruction but renewal, carrying us toward unity, freedom, and love. We see its impact in the breakdown of old institutions and the rise of new movements. The whirlwind is a force of creative destruction, making space for a new world. As it moves through us, it dissolves separation and connects us more deeply. It's an energetic upgrade, making us more alive and interconnected. We are becoming a unified nervous system, feeling the joys and sorrows of the whole. The whirlwind weaves us together, preparing us to function as one planetary organism. This is the planetary awakening in action. The whirlwind's ultimate gift is a new kind of freedom, deeper than politics or economics. It's the inner freedom that comes from releasing fear and reactive patterns. This is the 55th Siddhi, a state of ease, trust, and inherent goodness. As more people shift from reaction to rebirth, collective consciousness transforms. The revolution is internal, happening one person at a time, but changing civilization as a whole. This new era is marked by creativity, joy, and spontaneous expression. The age of the water bearer dawns, an age of transparency and abundance. The whirlwind clears away the old, making way for our true potential. Our current turmoil is the birth pangs of a new humanity, the pressure that forms diamonds. The whirlwind guides us through this alchemy, awakening the freedom that is our birthright. The codon rings, especially the whirlwind, offer a practical guide for navigating change. Understanding these currents helps us live with greater health, harmony, and purpose. Instead of resisting change, we can relax into it, trusting its evolutionary wisdom. Embracing the whirlwind means embracing our emotions as energy for transformation. By listening to our emotional triggers, we turn reaction into revolution and create positive change. We can also support our bodies, cultivating experiences that release histidine, like creativity and deep connection. This builds the foundation for higher consciousness and smoother transformation. Ultimately, we are vital cells in a united human family, all riding the same evolutionary wave. By embracing our genetic wisdom, we help co-create a world where every being is free to shine.